Hello children, welcome back to our computer science class for class 4. Today we are going to learn about the topic. Let's start PowerPoint 2013. So in this video, now we are going to see drawing group. This is the PowerPoint window. So in this, today we will learn drawing group. Okay, in the home tab, this is your drawing group. In the drawing group, you are having the options like to insert a different shapes, arrange the objects, and insert a quick styles, shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. Now we are going to see what are the shapes available in the shapes group. Okay, so this is the right arrow. Okay, this one is a rectangle and oval. Next one is star, brackets, curves, and click the more shapes button. So insert ready-made shapes such as circle, squares, and arrows. So in this shapes box, you are having the shapes that are arranged under the shapes groups. For example, line shapes are arranged under the lines group, and rectangles are arranged under the rectangles shapes group, and basic shapes are under the basic shapes group, and then block arrows, equation shapes, flow charts, stars and banners, and then callouts, and last one is action buttons. Okay, so in this I am going to choose rectangle. So after that, you are going to drag the mouse pointer over the slide so that you can insert a shape. Okay, here in the shapes group, you are having the text box. So select the text box and drag over the slide. Okay, so that you are going to insert a text box. So place the text inside the text box. After that, you are going to select the text and format the text by give the different font type and font size. Okay, so this is how you can insert shapes and text box in the slides. Okay, so now we are going to learn next option, arrange. Okay, so before that, arrange options are used to arrange objects on the slide by changing their order, position and rotation. So you can also group multiple objects together so that they will be treated like a single object. Okay, so before that, you are going to insert one picture. So click insert and go to the pictures option. Now the insert picture dialog box open here. So in this, I am going to choose one of the picture in the PC. Okay, here I am choosing this computer image. Okay, click the insert box, so your picture will be inserted in the slide. Okay, so go to the home tab in the drawing group. So press the down arrow in the arrange group. Your order objects options are unavailable, so you can select that image and click the down arrow. So first one is a bring to front option. So next one is the send to back. So click the send to back option, your object will be sent to the back. Okay. So next we are going to arrange the objects as a group. So first we are going to select the objects that you are want to group it. Okay. So after selecting that, click the down arrow in the group objects, select the group, join objects together to move and format this as if you move to a single object. Okay. So we are going to apply the animation to the object. Okay. Here I am choosing flying, so all the objects can be moved as a single object. Okay. So if you want to ungroup the objects, first select the object and press the down arrow, choose the ungroup in group objects. So break the connection between grouped objects so that you can move them individually again. Okay. Now you can able to see all the objects can be breaked, grouped objects can be breaked. Okay. So now we are going to align the objects. So choose one of the align object, and here I am choosing align left, so the text will be moved to a left. So next we are going to see rotate option. So first I am choosing rotate right 90 degree, left 90, flip vertical, and last one is flip horizontal. So in this video today you learned some of the drawing group options. Okay. I hope that you all understand. Thank you.